What's up guys, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a crazy paper character. Step 1, get a piece of paper that's not too thin but not too thick. Plain white piece of paper, or you could reuse a piece of paper like this one. I use this for some marker testing. It's your choice. Step 2, cut the paper into one tiny little square. Boom, just like that. Step 3, sketch your character. Step 4, we ink. Now for step 5, we color. Okay, coloring's done. Now let's cut out the character. And be sure to leave a little gap between the feet and the paper, just like this. Just like so. I folded that part back to make it fold like this. You can see the back of the character. And yeah, that is the paper character. If you want, you can try cutting this part right here. I didn't want to because I'm pretty bad at cutting, as you can see. And that's it guys, this is my paper character. I know this was a little bit of a shorter video, but I just wanted to show this because I had this really cool idea of doing this. So anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe.